Hello everyone, welcome back to Odoo 14 Developments. I hope you have watched all the previous videos in this playlist and we have now going through the advanced properties, advanced uh, uh, things that we can do on Odoo views. We have already covered the tree view, calendar view and search views. Now in this video, we are going to look into the Gantt view. So we will be creating a Gantt view and we will be using different attributes to modify that Gantt view. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So Gantt view is a horizontal bar chart. Okay, so you may have familiar with the bar chart. So it's a horizontal bar chart that we can use to represent the uh, project planning or production planning, those kind of things. Like we can see each task when it will be started, it will start, and when it will be end, and those kind of planning that we can do using is horizontal bar diagram, bar chart. So this in this case, in our Open Academy module, what we are going to do is we are going to add a Gantt view for one of our business object. So here in our business, we have two business objects. One is Open Academy session and one is Open Academy course. So which will be more suitable to set a Gantt view. So one is a course, one is a session. So as I said, it is used to show planning, those kind of representation. So in our two business models, we need a start date and end date to show an element or a record in a Gantt view. So that there will be a planning, we need a start date and end date, or at least a duration of that course, a start date or a duration, something. So in our case, we have two business models, business objects. One is a course. So for in our course, we don't have any fields like that. So it's just a name or a responsible person, description, and session IDs. So for a session, we have a start date and a duration. Okay, so we have two values that we can use for planning different sessions. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a Gantt view for our Open Academy session object. So in our Open Academy XML, we have given a Gantt view. So here this is our Open Academy sessions Gantt view. Okay, so just like the calendar view or all other views, it's also another object. It will be another object in our ir.ui.view model, and we have given a unique session Gantt view, unique ID called session Gantt view, and given a name session Gantt. And then the model we have given the Open Academy session, so that this view will be binded to that business object. And then you can see the root element of the Gantt view. It's called Gantt, and the string, it's a normal we have given for all other views. So just the name of that view. Then date start. Okay, so date start and the date stop and default group by, these are the basic things that we are going to discuss at first. So date start and date stop and default group by, so these three is self-explanatory. Okay, so it will be the start date of that record, and it will be the end date of that record. So let's check, we have all this. Yeah, so this duration, we have the start date and we have the end date. It is computed using the duration, I think. So this end date, yeah, we have given that computation in the last video for the calendar view, I think. So the end date, so this function is computing this end date. So we have the start date and end date, and default group by, as the name says, the group by based on which data the group by will happen by default. So when you open a Gantt view, on which data the records will be grouped. So here we have given the instructor ID, and we can just take these things off right now. For okay, let's take it off, and then let's try upgrading our module. Okay, before that we have to give this one. Okay, in our action we have to mention the Gantt as the in under the view mode. Then only the Gantt view will be visible in our user interface. So let's okay, we don't have to restart the service since we didn't made any changes in the Python file. Anyway, we are just clicking this one as usual. Then let's go to the apps, and then it's our favorite Open Academy upgrade. So then the Open Academy sessions. So we have different sessions. Okay, so we have the start date, duration, so it will, the end date will be computed, and you can see the Gantt symbol here, view Gantt. Now you can see the sessions are by default grouped by the instructor ID. So this is the instructor. Azure Interior have 2 sessions. So here the deco edit have 1 session. If you change the scale, it's called scale. So if you change the scale to year, you can see all other sessions that have in different months. So when you go to the month, it will only show that records that comes in this month. If you go to week, also same, it will only show the current week data. So this is how the Gantt view will be look like by giving just the date start, date stop, and default group by. So this here, the date start and date stop is the main thing, and the default group by is not mandatory. If you want to group by any data, you can supply this value, otherwise you can leave it empty. So there are other attributes that we can use for advanced purposes, like you can give a color. So just like, sorry,